your car will close automatically. Please keep your head and arms inside the vehicle and remain seated at all times. And please, no smoking.
Welcome aboard the Smithway PeopleMover. You are embarking on the local line's Grand Circle Tour of FuturePort 82, aboard the transport system of the future. Epcot Center is a place where human achievements are celebrated through imagination, wonders of enterprise, and a future that promises new and exciting benefits to all. Explore humanity's achievements in the arts and sciences, and our shared relationship with the Earth, the seas, and outer space. We welcome you to the future. We're now approaching the park's symbol, Spaceship Earth. Inside your time machine, witness how humanity learned to communicate, as ancient cave paintings give rise to the written alphabet. Experience the rise of civilization and the fall of Rome, the Dark Ages and the Renaissance, through the development of the modern world. Experience a belief and pride in man's ability to shape a world that offers hope to people everywhere, in this, our Spaceship Earth. Then, learn about Epcot Center using our innovative WorldKey touchscreen interfaces in Earth Station. We are now entering Communicore East. In the American Express travel port, explore many top vacation destinations around the world. In Epcot Computer Central, learn how computers will soon make your life easier in the Astuter Computer Review. Then use computers to build your own roller coaster, paint the U.S. flag, and even speak with our robot, Smart. In the Energy Exchange, guests explore man's relationship with different types of energy. Then relax with a solar burger and fries at the Stargate Restaurant. Epcot Center will continue to expand and grow. Scheduled to open in October 1983 is Horzions, following the lives of a family of the future in exotic desert, undersea, and outer space colonies. We are now above Centorium, the largest shop in Future World. Inside, find unique treasures like a full array of solar toys and sculptures, natural food cookbooks, electronic games, and more. The Electronic Forum beams live news over satellites directly to you. Then enter the Future Choice Theater to voice your opinion on key issues of the day, all through buttons on your armrest. In Future World East, learn how it's fun to be free in the world of motion, a whimsical trip through the history of transportation. Then view concept vehicles of tomorrow in Trans Center.
On the opposite end of the park, unlock your creativity in Journey into Imagination. Visit the ImageWorks, our creative playground of the future, then see the world through the eyes of a child in the 3D film Magic Journeys. Coming soon, join Dreamfinder and his dragon Figment as they collect sparks of imagination in a fanciful new ride.
We're now entering Communicore West. Have you ever wanted to see Future World up close? Visit the FuturePort model shop with small-scale versions of the park's pavilions, vehicles, artwork, and more. And coming soon, enter an extraordinary world of electronic micro-magic with lasers, simulators, and robotics in the Tron Arcade. Outside, you'll see the land, dedicated to man's relationship to the earth. Listen to the Land is a boat ride celebrating food production. Pass through the Symphony of the Sea, dramatic American landscapes, and innovative greenhouses where plants grow without soil. Then visit Kitchen Kabaret, a musical show about balanced food choices, before watching the film Symbiosis about protecting our natural environments. Enter the age of information in Bell Systems FutureCom. Through satellites, newspapers, or even traffic lights, interactive displays explore the past and future of data. The Einsel Theater is a colorful view of how data will revolutionize daily life, from video conferencing to telephone shopping and more. We're once again passing by Earth Station. We invite you to learn more about what you've seen within. A perfect follow-up to the PeopleMover. We hope you've learned about the many experiences, both big and small, we have to offer within Future World. Epcot Center is here to delight and educate, entertain and inspire all who enter. As we complete our Grand Circle tour, we thank you for visiting this place of joy, hope, and friendship.
Please remain seated until the doors have fully opened. Then step carefully onto the moving walkway towards the ramp. Thank you for joining us on the Smithway PeopleMover.